How to fix Face ID problems on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Search button on top right corner of your screen. After you've searched Search button, click on Lock Screen. Type in Lock Screen. You'll find lock screen passcode. In here, you'll find Face Unlock. First, you need to add your PIN. If you have already Face ID, simply delete it and then click on Add Face Data and add your face data again. After that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Face ID problems on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.